Into the second oldest botanical gardens in the world. The first one is in Padua. No, the first one is in Pisa. And this is the second of the experimental botanical gardens in the world. Yes, the Padua University folks actually came here. The academics, the doctors, the whole lot came to understand the species of the wild nature. But look where we are today. The entire world has been concretized, and we've got very little left in terms of the forest, in terms of the species, are almost fading and dying away and extinct, pretty much. And that's what our academics do. When they study something, they don't see if they can put it through a microscope, litmus test, and then see what we can use it for, the human-centric benefits. Well, this is where we've ended up today. We just have the botanical features as a module, but yet outside, if you go to the rainforest, which I walked through the rainforest of Borneo to Sarawak, to Kalimantan Central, Kalimantan North, Kalimantan East, Kalimantan West, into the Amazonian deep forests, and I can see the erosion, I can see the degradation of the forest, the soil, the humus, the topsoil, which we have completely obliterated, we've completely erased from the surface of the earth. So here we are, folks, the botanical gardens of Padua. The botanical gardens of Padua. The species that are left is hardly anywhere. Nobody's here to see the flowering roses. Cannot get excited by seeing green, right? So I came here at the beginning of autumn, almost has started. And these gates, since 16th century, scientists, doctors, everybody went in and out to study the species of planet species. But we built enormous gates to our... I'm not giving you an educational lecture here. I'm sharing the realities as to walking in this oldest museum of planet species, plant species. Citrus, lemon, worm, rutaceae, Himalaya, the Himalayan lemons. You can see it just here. Himalayan lemons. Isn't that beautiful? Roses, apples, peach. Oh, persimmon. Oh, peach. No. This is the Sharon fruit, for the ones who wants to know. It's the season now for Sharon fruits.